Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So here we have a Honda Accord. I did already tape it up just because there was a tanker behind me and it was making a lot.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh,
It's fairly quick.
You gotta just go for it. Don't think about what comes after or what came before. You just gotta bend your knees, take a deep breath, and jump.
And I also want to make myself clear, I'm not talking about polishing and applying a clear coat over the headlight, doing it by hand. No, I'm talking about removing the oxidation in the clear coat by hand sanding. That's what I'm trying to say, is that you don't need power tools to do that. But if you're polishing, obviously you're going to need a tool. What I'm trying to say is, you don't need to waste all this time using power tools and sanding layers upon layers off the headlight. It's a waste of time. You just need the right starting grit, and then you can start your restoration process after you remove everything. And if you don't believe me, try it. I just want you guys to save a little bit more time, because situations like this, when I'm at the customer's work, and as I said, I'm here in sunny Florida and it's crazy hot right now, I would absolutely hate to be sanding this with a power tool, taking layers upon layers, masking up 4 or 5 different lines of tape along the headlight. It is hot. Alright guys, so here's the finished product. As I stated previously before I even started, there is still the micro cracking in there. I explained it to the customer, but it's at a weird angle where the sun doesn't exactly hit it, so it's not too noticeable. You can still see that haze on the top of the headlight. I have a theory, I think it might be from the engine, maybe the heat, I'm not sure. It's always on both sides. All Honda brands, or at least the ones that I've done as far as like the CR-V, Honda Civic, and Accord, the older models always have that. So, other than that, came out great. Thanks for watching.